Hello everyone, I'll be discussing the Elizabeth Escalona case and whether or not it goes under the rational choice theory and it follows the classical school theories. So yeah, the rational choice theory, it is the conscious and logical thought behind the crime, and if the offender thought about this and they weighed out any benefits there would be and if they would get caught and stuff like that. But yeah, that is the rational choice theory. Applying it to this case, I believe that Escalona, she was very conscious of what she did. Even though she testified that she doesn't remember why she had abused her 2-year-old daughter in the ways that she did, I personally believe that she did understand what she was doing and she knew why she was doing it. So she definitely thought about it, and it was calculated because there was bite marks on her daughter. She glued her daughter's hands to the wall and she brutally kicked her. The daughter went to the hospital for having a brain bleed and many injuries on her body. But I personally believe that Escalona this case really does go into the rational choice theory, because she definitely was perceiving and she knew what she was doing. When we go into the classical school theory things, I believe that it is justified under deterrence and certainty, since, this punishment that she got of 99 years, it shows that this crime was very gruesome. As the prosecutor said, that she brutally hurt her child and she needs to be punished for this. So under deterrence, I believe it is upfitting the crime. Under certainty, it also goes into it because many people would believe that she needs to be punished for this crime and there needs to be a serious punishment. But under proportionality, I don't believe that the 99 years was the right fit for this case, because if you compare it to other cases, like for example Utah v. Frankie and Hildebrandt, it was a case about these two women who were abusing this Frankie, the mom, her children, for religious and other reasons, and the sentence was only 4 to 30 years, and there was, I think, 4 counts of child abuse. And they had very serious injuries and were malnourished, dehydrated, and they were very sleep deprived, and they were just really sick. And another case is this Susie Ray Helton case. She was abusing her adopted children, and yet she was only sentenced to 40 years, and this was actually this year, Texas 2026, that she got sentenced to the 40 years for, I think, 3 counts of child abuse. Another case is the Turpin case. This person they had 14 counts of felony child abuse, and yet they were only sentenced to 25 years to life, depending on their behavior while they were incarcerated. So when you look at that under the proportionality, I do not think that this case was the right punishment was given to Escalona. I do not believe that the 99 years was fair when compared to other cases. And under clarity, the case took about a year long, so there was definitely a lot of discussion and a lot of moments where there was a lot of unclear discussion of whether or not what this punishment should be. So under clarity and proportionality, it really was not justified. But under deterrence and certainty, it was. My personal belief about this case is I do not think that the 99 years was fair. I think she should have taken the plea bargain, which was offered, but it was never, she didn't get that. She got the 99 years, but the 45 years would have been more fair, because, yes, she did have a bunch of history with child, like she was abused by her own like parents, and she did have a lot of bad history, but I do not believe 99 years is fair, and I think that she should have had a lower sentence compared to many other cases and many other things. But yeah, thank you so much.